Welcome back to Amazing Foods. Today we're going to teach you how to make a buffalo dip. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's make it. The ingredients that you're going to need to make this buffalo dip is 2 cans of chicken breast, 12.5 ounce each, 1 8-ounce block of extra sharp cheddar cheese, 1 block of 8-ounce Colby and Monterey Jack cheese, 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese, and 1 bottle of Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. We're going to be baking it in a 9-inch round pan. So you're going to need 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, then you're going to save the rest for the end. And the same thing with the extra sharp cheddar cheese. You're going to want 1 cup. So you're going to want to drain out the water from your cans of chicken and then get yourself a bowl and then scrape it in. Grab your 1 cup of already shredded cheese and just slide it right in. Same thing with your 1 cup of already shredded Colby Monterey Jack. Then you're going to put your 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. And then for your Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce, you're going to want to pour it to this top of the barcode. Like so. And you're going to want to mix it all good together. Like so. Now after that's been mixed up really good, you'll get your 9-inch pan, put your mixture inside. shred the remaining cheese on top. Preheat your oven for 350. Now that the oven is preheated at 350 degrees, you're gonna place it in the oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. After a half hour, I'm gonna pull it out. Let it sit for 10 minutes. And there you have it, you got yourself buffalo dip. We like to enjoy ours with Tostitos Scoops. A special thanks to those who have already subscribed. You are very greatly appreciated.
And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell.
Thank you for watching.